For over 145 years, the heart of my family's farmhouse has been the kitchen. It's where stories, food, and traditions have been passed down through generations. Join me as we create new memories, one dish at a time. Welcome to Adam's Farmhouse Kitchen. All right, everyone. Well, welcome back, and we're getting ready to make my granny's pumpkin pie filling. So I have my pumpkin puree here. And what I did was a little bit of water on the top. So what I did was I just took a paper towel and that actually just absorbed a little bit of that excess on there. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the bases, and starts off, we're going to have 3 cups or 3.5 cups, since we have the homemade puree. So 3.5 cups of the homemade pumpkin puree. And then I've already pre-measured out for the filling. We have 3/4 cups of granulated sugar right here, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, a teaspoon of salt, 4 to 5 large eggs, spice to taste. I used just pumpkin pie filling in this one. And you can use it if you want it spicier. You can put more in there if you like, or use whatever kind of spice you prefer. And then 3 cups of whole milk. So let's go ahead and start. And what we're going to do is we're going to measure out 3.5 cups of our homemade pumpkin puree. So we have that in the bowl. And then next, what we're going to do is we're going to add our dry ingredients, our spices, and our brown sugar. We want to make sure that crumbles up really good. That's going to go right into the pumpkin. And boy, it already does smell like pumpkin pie. And then we have our egg mixture here. This has our eggs and our milk in it. And what I'm going to do actually, so I'm going to give this just a little quick beat, because we want those eggs to kind of be stirred up just a little bit. We're going to mix it as well in the bowl, but I'm just going to give these a quick little beat up there. I have a bigger whisk we're going to do that for here in just a second. So we're going to add this into our pumpkin pie, or pumpkin pie filling with the fresh pumpkin. And then we're going to take a larger whisk, and what we're going to do is we're going to just mix this up like this and make sure everything gets really well incorporated. And don't be afraid to use a little elbow grease. All right, and then there's our filling, and then now we're going to make our crust, and then we'll put this in and get our pies in the oven.